Every week, developers release useful open-source GitHub projects that solve real problems. This is a weekly GitHub project update video, where you'll see top trending open-source GitHub projects this week. Without wasting time, you'll discover practical and trending developer tools for AI, local workflows, productivity, and performance.
Welcome back to LuxTTS Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, LuxTTS, Fast Voice Cloning Text-to-Speech with ZipVoice. LuxTTS is a text-to-speech model and developer-focused library that generates realistic speech and supports high-quality voice cloning from short audio prompts. It is based on ZipVoice and uses a 48 kHz vocoder for clearer output than many standard TTS systems. The model is designed to run efficiently on local hardware, including GPUs with limited VRAM, and can also work on CPUs. It helps AI developers build fast voice generation workflows. Try LuxTTS to experiment with rapid voice cloning. Project number 2, Pastecn Pastecn Style Sharing for ShadDCN/UI Components. Pastecn is a lightweight web developer tool that turns pasted code into shareable ShadDCN/UI registry URLs. It acts like a pastebin built for React component workflows, letting developers publish components, hooks, libs, or multi-file blocks that install directly through the ShadDCN CLI. It supports optional password protection and local draft saving through browser storage. Pastecn runs as a simple no-auth sharing layer for front-end developers working with ShadDCN setups. Try Pastecn to quickly share installable UI code. Project number 3, Meme Matcher, Real-Time Facial Expression Meme Matching Tool. Meme Matcher is a computer vision application that detects your facial expressions and hand gestures and matches them to well-known internet memes. It uses MediaPipe for face and gesture tracking and runs as an interactive Python-based system that processes webcam input in real time. The project focuses on linking live human expressions to a curated meme dataset for instant visual comparison. It is useful for developers exploring playful AI interfaces and vision pipelines. Try Meme Matcher to test expression-based meme matching. Project number 4, VideoMaMa, Mask-Guided Video Matting with Diffusion Models. VideoMaMa is a research-focused video matting framework that converts coarse segmentation masks into pixel-accurate alpha mats. It leverages pre-trained video diffusion models to refine object boundaries and produce clean foreground extractions across video frames. The system is designed to generalize to real-world footage without requiring dense labeled training data. It connects modern generative video models with practical matting workflows for vision researchers and developers. Try VideoMaMa to explore mask-to-matte video refinement. Project number 5, PDF2 Video Generator with Remotion Templates. PDF2 Video is a developer tool that transforms PDF documents into video presentations with smooth animations. It uses a Remotion and TypeScript workflow where PDF content is parsed and rendered into a structured video template, producing an MP4 output through local rendering. The project includes configuration options and demo examples for creating showcase-style videos from static slides or documents. It is useful for AI builders, automating presentation video generation. Try PDF2 Video to turn PDFs into animated videos. Project number 6, Drift, Codebase Pattern Detection for AI Agents. Drift is a developer tool that scans your codebase to detect conventions, patterns, and structure for use with AI coding agents. It extracts rules from source files and provides that context to tools like Claude, Cursor, or any IDE supporting MCP workflows. Drift can run fully offline and persists learned patterns for later recall through a CLI or agent interface. It helps developers reduce context loss and improve consistency in long AI-assisted sessions. Try Drift to make agents understand your codebase better. Project number 7, Manim Skills, Best Practices and Examples for Manim Animation. Manim Skills is a learning-focused repository that collects patterns, workflows, and reusable examples for creating mathematical animations with Manim. It supports both Manim Community Edition and Manim GL, helping developers structure scenes, manage complexity, and apply clean animation techniques. The project serves as a practical reference for anyone building technical visuals or AI-generated educational content with Manim. It is useful for creators who want consistent animation results. Try Manim Skills to improve your Manim workflow. Project number 8, last 30 days. Skill Personal Activity Recap. Skill for Claude Workflows. Last 30 Days Skill is a Claude skill project that helps generate a structured recap of your last 30 days of activity. It is designed as an agent-style workflow where recent events or notes are summarized into a clean reflection format. The project focuses on lightweight personal analytics through an LLM skill interface rather than a standalone app. It is useful for developers experimenting with memory and journaling agents. Try Last 30 Days Skill to build monthly AI summaries. Project number 9. gradscii-art, machine learning-based ASCII art generator. Gradscii-art is an ASCII art generation project that uses machine learning to convert images into detailed text-based outputs. It provides a pipeline for producing high-quality character renderings that preserve visual structure in a terminal-friendly format. The project includes Python dependencies and example outputs for experimenting with different character sets and styles. It is useful for developers working on creative ML transformations or retro-visualization tools. Try gradscii-art to generate ASCII art with ML. Project number 10. pipenet, public tunnel tool for exposing local servers. pipenet is a Node.js developer library that creates secure public tunnels to a local port, similar to lightweight tunneling services. It assigns a public URL for your local server and supports options like requesting specific subdomains. The API works with promises or callbacks, making it easy to integrate into JavaScript workflows. pipenet helps developers test webhooks, demos, or agent services from localhost. Try pipenet to expose a local server instantly. Project number 11. Avatar 3D. Interactive 3D avatars from one photo. Avatar 3D is an AI-powered developer tool that generates interactive 3D avatars from a single image. It supports cursor tracking rotation for lightweight web viewing or full 3D model export for deeper workflows. The project focuses on turning a simple photo into a usable avatar asset through an automated pipeline. It is useful for developers building identity features, virtual characters, or AI-driven profile experiences. Try Avatar 3D to generate a 3D avatar from your photo. Project number 12. ElatoAI, real-time voice agents on ESP32 hardware. ElatoAI is a real-time voice AI platform for running speech-based agents on Arduino ESP32 devices. It connects secure WebSockets with Dino Edge functions to enable long-running conversations using modern voice APIs like OpenAI Real-Time, Gemini Live, 11 Labs, and Hume. The system handles audio input and output through embedded hardware components and streams responses live. It is built for developers exploring edge-based AI voice interfaces. Try ElatoAI to build your own voice agent device. Project number 13. Claude Octopus, multi-CLI AI orchestrator for Claude Code. Claude Octopus is a developer tool that orchestrates multiple AI command line agents together inside Claude Code workflows. It coordinates Codex, Gemini, and Claude CLIs in parallel using a structured double diamond methodology for research, building, and review. The project helps developers get diverse model perspectives while keeping execution controlled through repeatable command patterns. It is designed for engineers working with multi-agent coding setups. Try Claude Octopus to run several AI CLIs as one workflow. Project number 14. kea-research, consensus-based collaboration across multiple AI models. kea-research is a multi-AI collaboration platform that combines responses from several language models and cross-validates information to produce consensus-backed answers. It supports provider-agnostic setups, including hosted APIs and local models, and focuses on reducing single-model errors through structured debate and verification. The tool is built for developers who want more reliable AI-assisted research and decision-making. Try kea-research to compare and validate outputs across models. Project number 15. HPC-Ops, High-Performance Operator Library for LLM Inference. HPC-Ops is an operator library designed for efficient large language model inference workloads. Developed by Tencent's Hunyuan AI infrastructure team, it provides production-focused kernels and low-level operators that optimize execution during model serving. The project targets developers and researchers building high-throughput inference systems that need fast, reliable compute primitives. It fits into advanced GPU-based deployment stacks for modern LLM pipelines. Try HPC-Ops to explore optimized inference operators. Project number 16. Ballin, terminal-based physics simulation with thousands of balls. Ballin is a Rust-based TUI application that simulates thousands of bouncing balls inside your terminal. It creates an interactive physics environment with colorful motion and real-time performance, all rendered in a text interface. The project demonstrates how terminal apps can support large-scale simulation visuals without a GUI. It is useful for developers interested in creative Rust tools and playful system demos. Try Ballin to run a physics simulator in your terminal. Project number 17, Key Context. Security Anti-Pattern Reference for Safer LLM Code. Key Context is a security-focused reference project that documents common AI-generated code vulnerabilities and anti-patterns. Distilled from many sources, it provides structured guidance to help language models and developers avoid unsafe coding practices. The repository includes detailed breakdowns of critical security issues and is designed to integrate into prompt and context workflows. It is useful for teams building AI-assisted coding systems. Try Key Context to improve secure code generation. Project number 18, Dawarich. Self-hosted alternative to Google Timeline tracking. Dawarich is a self-hostable web app that replaces Google Timeline by letting you track, store, and visualize your location history privately. It runs as a personal location data platform where users manage their own movement records without external telemetry. The project supports mapping and history exploration through a local-first setup. It is built for developers and self-hosters who want control over location tracking data. Try Dawarich to host your own timeline map. Project number 19, Trip. Minimalist self-hosted POI map and planner. Trip is a self-hostable map tracker and trip planning web app for managing points of interest and organizing travel itineraries. It lets users place and categorize POIs on interactive maps, build multi-day trip plans, and share details with companions. The project runs without telemetry or ads and focuses on simple, private travel organization. It is useful for developers who enjoy minimalist self-hosted tools. Try Trip to plan journeys with your own map data. Project number 20, Gru. Self-hosted AI agents controlled from messaging apps. Gru is a self-hosted AI agent orchestration service that lets you chat with coding assistants through platforms like Telegram, Slack, or Discord. It connects to Anthropic APIs and runs as a deployable backend where messages trigger agent workflows and responses return directly in chat. Developers configure keys and environment variables, then control agents from their phone. It is designed for hands-on AI assistants outside the IDE. Try Gru to run AI agents from chat. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next weekly update.